Hello friends, I am Avinash Singh, your tech guru, brings a knowledgeful video for you. Today I will tell you how can you add a digital visiting card in your signature. So for this purpose we have to open the drive. So for open the drive we have to click on this icon which is placed at the right side of the browser when you open your Gmail, and then click on this drive icon. So here I am going to click the drive icon. When you click on the drive icon, in a new tab you can find a window where your drive is open. This is the Google Drive, and here I am going to upload the my digital visiting card. In the same way you can upload your digital visiting card. So for uploading the digital visiting card, I am going to click new button, and when we press in the new button we find a option file upload, and here I am going to click in file upload option. And when I am clicking on file upload option, this is my digital visiting card. Just select the digital visiting card and click on the open button. In this way, here I uploaded my digital visiting card. You can find here, you can see this window here. This is show the progress of uploading the digital visiting card. Once is uploaded, you can find the symbol turns to green like this, and here you can see this is my digital visiting card. So I want to add this digital visiting card to my Gmail signature. So close this drive and return to your mail account and click here this gear icon. This is the setting icon, and click here. You can find a submenu will be open like this, and here you have to click on the see all setting option. So I am clicking here see all setting option. Then you can find a setting page will be open in front of you. Just drag it and find this section signature, and here I am already using my signature, so remove this. I am removing this, and again go to the drive because I want to the link of my digital visiting card. So click on the drive button, and when I clicking the drive button, again my Google Drive is open, and now I find my digital visiting card link. So to get the digital visiting card link, we have to find where is the digital visiting card is uploaded in the drive. So first of all I am going to search where is it. Just drag, and this is my digital visiting card in the PDF format. So here I am clicking this icon. Just click on your digital visiting card icon where it is uploaded. So I get this. Once you click on the digital visiting card, you can find at the top of the right hand side corner of the drive, this is the shareable link. So you have to click get shareable link button. Once you click, a small window is open in front of you where you will find the link that you have to copy. Here you can read this. Only people added can open with this link. So here just click on the restricted and click on anyone with the link. So now copy the link. I am copying the link. Now link is copied. So after copied the link, you just have to add your digital visiting card. Just click on this link button, and here you can write click here to download my digital visiting card, and after it, here you have to paste the link that you have copied from the Google Drive and click on the OK button. Now just wait for a minute. I think so the spelling is wrong now. Okay, so in this way you can add the digital visiting card link, and now click on the save changes. So in this way you can add your digital visiting card in your Gmail signature, and now if you will go to send any mail to anyone, then this card you can find automatically added to your signature. You can see here. So in this way you can add the digital visiting card in your Gmail account. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. Good day. Jai Bharat, Jai Bharati, Vande Mataram.